Hello, hello. It's Susan from Tamagems. Today we are going to make these beachy boho puka shell butterfly earrings. Simple and sweet. Perfect for the summer. Let's get started. So first we're going to take our head pin and we are going to string it on our butterfly charm. Like so. Put a bead on because it's the color of the ocean, and just pile on 3 puka shells. Okay, so you'll have something like this. So let's do the other side. Head pin, butterfly charm, bead, 3 puka shells. Okay, so we've got the first step done. Pretty easy. Then we're going to take our chain nose pliers, put on right on top of the puka shells, and give it a bend. Same thing with the other side. Right on top of the puka shells and give it a bend sideways because our earrings are this way. Then we're going to take our round nosed pliers, and I've marked it so we know exactly where to bend. Up, over, and down, flip to the back, and open. Okay, let's do the other side. Round nose pliers, same spot, flip, up and over, to the back, and open. Okay, step 2's done. Chain nose pliers, we're going to hold it, take our bent chain nose pliers and wrap 1, 2. Okay, do the other side. We're almost done. Simple, sweet, and perfect for the summer. 1, 2. Okay, now we come in with our flush cutters. We're going to give it a trim. And we've got to find the little burr, pinch it, never to be seen again. And there you have it. Sweet, simple butterfly earrings. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.